You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.
Ay, Gracia. Pasensya na. Lalagyan ako eh. Happy 18th birthday. Kasi siyempre yung katulad yung wish mo sa akin. Sana ito maganda na. Yes, yun. Talaga ka na din. Surrender na. Sasya ka na sa itsura ko ah. Sana ma-enjoy mo itong araw na to. Tapos, sasabihin ko. Ito masabi. Basta, kailangan mo video na nakatingin sa'yo. Happy 18th birthday. Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. At sana maging mabait ka lagi. At masunuring bata. Wala lang. Sana huwag ka magbabago. At tumangkad ka man o hindi. Sana huwag ka magbago. Wala man. 18 ka na, dalaga ka na. Si Dear na lang yung hindi majoran eh. Wala yun. Siguro, isipin mo lagi, andito lang kami para sa'yo. If you want na kausap or whatever, andito lang kami para sa'yo, okay? At saka, wala. wala lang. Happy 18th birthday na lang ulit sa'yo. Mwah!